Hello everyone, welcome to Vidyatrans. Now after successfully install these three software, it's time to make a communication between these three software. Okay, so first step is to just click on start and type RSL RSL and add these three softwares into your taskbar. This is essential because we have to switch between these three software, so it is very helpful if you add these softwares into your taskbar. Just right click on it. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Just right click on this software and click on more and pin to taskbar. Okay, after that we have to pin RS Logix emulator to taskbar, pin to taskbar, and after that we have to RS links, we have to type RS links classic, and we have to add this to your taskbar. Okay, just pin to your taskbar. Okay, after getting these three softwares in your taskbar, it's time to make a communication between these three softwares. Okay, don't worry about that. Just click on communication. Okay, our primary duty is we have to select the driver for this emulator. Okay, because we do not have a real PLC here. If we have real PLC here, we select the suitable driver for that. I have real PLC here. In next lecture we will tell you how you can make communication with the real PLC. Okay, don't worry about that. For now we have to make a communication between RS links, RS Logix Micro Stata Alert, or with the emulator. So just click on RS links classic, and after that we have to select a communication. Okay, we select communication, then configure drivers. Here you can see we already have emulator. Just delete it. I will tell you step by step everything. Click on this arrow and select SLC 500 DH485 emulator driver. Okay, select it and click on add new. After that click on OK, click on OK, then you can close it. Okay, we completed our communication setup. Okay, now it's time to just open one RS Logix Micro Starter Lite. Okay, click on file. It's time to create a new project and check if everything is working or not. Click on file and click on new. After that you have to select a suitable PLC for you. Don't worry about that. If you do not have any PLC, you can select anything, but if you have a PLC, you have to select a suitable model for that. Now here you can see there is a driver of ABDF1. This is only for if you have real PLC, and if you have RS232 cable, you can make communication by this driver. We will tell you in next lecture about that. Just click on that and select emulator. So we select EMU 500 because we want to make a communication with the emulator. Okay, after that click on OK. Okay, now we are having our working area where we make all our program. So I will give you a simple project. You want to turn on one light by using one switch. Okay, so we want to turn on one light by using switch. Suppose this is the circuit we have to build. If we have one voltage source and we have one switch, let me make it a switch, simply switch. Okay, and we have lamp here. This project is just only for demo. The main purpose of this lecture is to just to show you how you can make a communication between these softwares. So this is the lamp. Okay, this is the switch. and someone will tell you that make a ladder diagram for this, make a ladder diagram. So when we want to make a ladder diagram, we have two type of contact, normally open and normally close. So normally open means normally this switch is open, normally this switch is open, but when you press the button which is associated with this switch can pass the current, to the output. Okay, so we can make a ladder like that. Just connect one normally open button with the output coil. Output coil is just basically a lamp, and this is normally open, and when you press the switch, this normally open contact closed and it can pass the current to the lamp. Okay, we can just assume that. Okay, we can just assume that because there is a no wiring in PLC software. PLC software is just basically a logical wiring. Okay, so we can just take it as a reference, just assume this. Okay, we have one normally open button which is connected to the one output coil. Okay, when we press this switch which is associated with this normally open contact, lamp will glow. Here also you can see that when this is open, no current flow from this side to this side. If you just close this switch, the current flowing from voltage source to the lamp, and lamp glows. Okay, so we can just make a ladder diagram like that. So just open your RS Logix micro starter light, just click on this and select one normally open button which is connected to output coil, and we have to give the address accordingly. So the addressing in this software is just like, if you want to select a input, you have to give I:0/0, and also if you want to give the address to the output coil, we have to give O:0/0. Okay, we will tell you everything in detail. The purpose of this lecture is just to make our first program. Don't worry about that. We give you every detail about everything. Okay, don't worry about that. So entry is valid. Just click on this verify project. After verifying the project, you can check here verify has completed and no error found. After that, we have to go to the emulator. Okay, we have to save our program. We can save our program by clicking on save as, and I go to this and we can give this a name. Just click on this and just we make a program, first program. You can give any name. So click on save. After that, we have to go to the emulator option and we have to select the project from here, and you can select this one because we recently created this software, this program. Click on open, and after that we have to give the station here 1 and click on OK. We give 1 to this station. Just click on OK. Okay, after that you can click on run and minimize this. Please don't close this software and just minimize it. Okay, after that you have to follow some more step, like just click on this communication, on system communication, and we have to select the EMU 500. Just click on this plus and select MicroLogix 1100. Okay, after that we have to download it. Okay, now we click on yes, yes and yes. Okay, now one step is just click on this remote program down arrow and click on run. So now we are ready to run our first program. Please remember that we have to do it only one time. Okay, now you can also change this program and modify this program and just click on Control S, and you do not you you do not no need to build a program again and again. You can just modify this program and you can save it. Okay, okay, now listen to me carefully. We want to turn on this output by using this input button. Just click on it and just right click and click on toggle bit. After clicking on toggle bit, you can see the output glows. Okay, now this is the procedure to make your first program. Now if you want to modify this program, just click on this arrow, down arrow, and go offline, and you can change this program and again save it. And now you can change this program, just click on this, and if you want to add another button, you can simply add it like I:0/1. Okay, and press Ctrl S to save this program. Just verify it first, verify it. After that, click on save, and we click on this communication, system communication, and Micrologix 1100 download. Okay, okay, now you are ready to, this is your second program, and here you can see that. Okay, right click on it, on click on toggle bit, you simply turn on your output. Okay, this is done for this lecture. Now it's time to move on to the next lecture. Thank you very much.